Yes, so we have Mr. Jermaine Harris. Sorry, not Harris, but Thomas this evening. I said that, Jermaine. My apology, Mr. Thomas. And Coach Thomas, this evening, you went down today. What's your take on the game?
It's not a bad one. I thought we should have capitalized on a couple of the chances we created first half. I thought we got some good opportunities, never capitalized on them. I thought in the end we gave up a very soft goal. Afraid like that, you don't want to be giving up at this stage. But guess what? It's a part of life. They would have to learn to deal with these things. It's a part of the journey. And once they can accept it and move on, then I don't think it should be a problem.
Coach, your intent in the game or your team intent, what was it like? Because coming into this game, many of us, including myself, have never seen McGrath beating Dinthill here. And so you had 3 from 3. And coming into this game, you would have had some confidence to take it. But what was the intent? Or what was the game plan for today?
I mean, we wanted to kind of, because we know they were going to pass. And I don't have a problem with that. I thought sometimes we never blocked up properly. We wanted to kind of block, watch them, medium press, and then we got a chance to hide them. We would transition into high press. And we did that sometimes, had some success, but I thought when we recovered the ball, we never connected well. And you saw first half, like as I said before, we created some good ones, but I thought they wanted it a little bit more. And the first, second balls, and sometimes even the third one, they got to it first. And I thought that made a difference today.
I think, looking back at the first games that you would have played, you played a lot of purpose. You started well today, but somehow fell off in the second half. What do you think contributed to that?
Probably I've lost in concentration. I mean, in transition, if you win and then turn over easily, then it makes it a little bit difficult because the 7 and 11 will be opening and moving forward. And then sometimes the wing back will be going as well. And if you're not connecting, then you're not going to get them involved. And then they will be left out of position in some cases. But guess what? I saw enough positives from the game. I thought at times we connected. I'm just a little bit worried about the chances we are missing because I'm thinking that, you want to be converting some of those chances, and we just did not.
For the positives, what about the weaknesses and what you have to work on going forward?
But retention. I mean, we turned over a little bit too often. A lot of times we were caught a little bit napping in terms of keeping our shape. But guess what? They are youngsters, and you get these from them sometimes, and different environment, different teams, call for probably different performances and different behavior. But today, we weren't at our best. So I must commend the Dinthill team, however. I thought they were a little bit better than us on the day.
Well done, well done. Where did this loss leave you in the zone now?
Well, good. We are still leading the group. And that's the most important thing. And I was just saying to the guys that, hey, having lost a game, I mean, you don't want to be beating up yourselves. It's okay to feel sad or feel disappointed, but the turnaround time is very, very short. 2 days' time, we go out with a Charlie month. So it takes a lot of mental preparation just to get them back up psychologically and then move from there. It's a part of the journey. These things are going to happen. 3 results are there. Win, lose, draw. You got to take one of them.
And so true. It must have been the best time for you to lose when you're on top. So again, more to come. We're a good game, and I hope to see. But what can we expect going forward, though?
As always, tough, hard. No football. We're not going to stop playing. We are never ever going to stop, and they showed us some of that today. All right.
Thank you very much, Coach Thomas, and all the best for the next season.